just wanted to say there too was on the 12th of July, John Palmer, I'd asked John if he would video the 12th in Moneymore. And I must say he's done a great job, but I'm just doing a bit of advertising here. There's some of the men here already have got has DVDs. And if anybody's interested in one, you can see myself. But I don't want to be presumptuous, I can bring them down here. But he made a great job in that he videoed the 12th. One DVD is of the band going to the field, or the lodges and bands going to the field, and the organs coming from the field. So there's two discs in the one box, and they cost a tenner. And this is the bit I'm going to say. Everybody in Northern Ireland likes a bargain. The bargain is on the 11th night he went down into the village just for a wee look around, not knowing what was going on. Took his video camera with him, and he videoed the 11th night the Ulster Scots experience. And he's actually thrown it in us about an hour and 45, an hour and 50 minutes of the Ulster Scots experience. And for those that here that have already got the DVD, I think they're well pleased with it. And one of the tunes that was captured there was that one that the Fifers are playing, Open the Door. And it really, really sounds well. The man up there just says, I'm going to start off with a fifing tune. It's called Open the Door, and a group of fiddlers that played it really was something else. And it was nice to hear the Fifers night there playing that, because it sounded really good in the violin as well. So as I say, if anybody's interested in that DVD, you can let me know, or you can get in touch with any of the there's Martin on to the door. I love that. Another thing as well then, they also kindly videoed the last Saturday of August in Magherafelt. There's not many people now bothers videoing the last Saturday, but with the selection of bands that we have in the South Londonderry, or whatever that Londonderry county, it's really something else. A lot of nice park music bands and all, and it really came out well as well. So those are selling at the same price, £10 for DVD, and anybody wants these, let me know. We're happy to get them copy. Thank you. Couldn't give him kind of room to dance right there. Okay, what do you want to start off with then, Dan? Craigie Mills, right. There's an old time favourite of my dad here, and I think that he been works. It's called Craigie Mills. Some of these fifers will know some of these tunes, I would imagine. Some old goat had a sucker here as well, and I see they're just looking down the heads. These are Frank Orr heads as well. If you have any broken heads,
David Warnick.
David, oh right, sorry. David Warnick in first. Right here. See you. Another favourite of the band, Orange and the Blue. These are all, I always say to David Murdoch whenever I play a tune in the practice, I always say on there, that's a good tune. David always put off the same line. They're all good tunes. So David is, everyone's his favourite. Makes it all right. Toilet calls. Always good. You won't have that on. Right. Makes it all right.